I'm Jessica Hartshorn from Jessi Illustrates and I'm a professional illustrator. I've always loved art. I used to sell my paintings in the playground at school. I did go on to study illustration as a degree and then progressed to do the job I love. There are 4 strands to my business. Number 1 is illustration. Number 2 is workshops. Number 3 is draw-alongs, and number 4 are my products. So my illustration branches off into children's books. I work with a lot of authors to bring their stories to life. And then I also work mostly with galleries and museums to bring collections to life, such as trails and maps and education resources. I run a range of different workshops for all ages, from really tiny children through to older adults. And they could be drawing based, so illustration masterclasses, through to more crafty sessions. So my draw-alongs are really bespoke and they're really fun and interactive. So basically you're drawing along with me on a clipboard with a piece of paper and a pencil, and we have lots of fun. With my products, I take all of that energy and all of the exciting elements of my illustration and put it into products that you can buy and gift to people. So that might be mugs or cards or tea towels and notebooks, and they're all for sale through my website. One of the best parts of my job is seeing people who maybe go into a workshop who aren't very confident, and then by the end they're really proud of what they've created. That brings me so much happiness. The key thing for me is that I want to bring joy and playfulness to the community that's going to access it. I'm always happy to chat through ideas, and I'd love to hear from you, so do get in touch.